today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create consistent characters for free using Canva. I'll also demonstrate how you can create Pixar-style 3D movies with those images, all within Canva's free version. So, let's get started.
Step 1, go to canva.com, go to video option, take the video aspect ratio. Now go to this tabs option, type Magic Media. Go to this option, paste your prompt. Now here is the prompt designed. You will have to give the name of the character, the design style, the gesture and expression. So I will be taking this as an example. I will paste it here and I will give a seed number, any random seed number. If the seed number remains same, the same characteristic will be followed. Okay, other things will remain same. Now go little downwards. Here you have to go for landscape. Now since I am giving a kind of style which is Pixar 3D, I will not select any other style. If you want to use some inbuilt type of style, then you can go to the See All option and you can take any style from here. But since I am mentioning it is Pixar 3D, I will have to go for this None option. And here, rest things will remain same. If you want to change some part, like I have given this particular prompt in the description, you may change as per your requirement. Now after that, go to this Generate Image option. Now I've got 4 such images. You can take all 4 by clicking on that. So I've taken this image and this image, these 2 images. Okay. Now, next I will be changing the gesture. So I'll come downwards and I will just change this part, standing in a colorful garden. This part I will change. So this time I will be using some other gesture. So you can see I have given this prompt where I have just changed this part where I was saying that she is standing in a garden. I've just changed this part to sitting in at a picnic table and eating burger. Okay, I just changed that and I got these 4 options. Now whichever you want, you can take, like I want this one.
Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part.
Now next I'm going to show you how you may generate direct video from this. So I'll take a new option, new one. Now I'm going to just take these 3 dots and generate a video. Directly it will create a video out of that image. So you just have to wait for a while. So this is a video they have created and I will just click on a single click. It will come on the screen and then you can right click and set it as background. Okay, and then double click and just position it in the right way. Now next part, I'm going to show you how you can get a full screen. Now if you see, these are not exactly broad widescreen ratio, right? So there are 2 ways by which you can cover the entire screen. One is by selecting this go to edit photo option. Here this option is the only one which is pro. So if you don't have pro, Canva Pro, you can go to my affiliate link and upgrade for 13 months. So I will just select this. There are 2 options. One is go to magic grab option. Select this and grab the main subject and the background will be separated from the main subject, then you can use that background or you stretch it. Okay, see, I have grabbed my subject. Now I will select the background, right click and set it as background, and now I will position. So my main subject is not getting cut. Now if you want to go for the second option, that is, I'm going to show it here. Second option is select the image, go to, just make it maximum, whatever you may enlarge, you just enlarge it. Okay, see, this is my maximum enlargement which I can do. Now keep it in the middle. This this purple cross line should intersect. Then go to this magic expand option and give whole page and then magic expand. That way they will give 4 such variety. So you choose one and that will occupy the entire screen. So this is how basically you can resize your image. You can create a video out of it. Say this is one option. This is the second option. There's very slight difference which I find. So I like the first option only. So I will take this and go to done. Okay, this way you can create consistent characters and you can also create a video out of that character. Okay, so I will also show you how you can do the similar thing in Bing. Bing is also free, so go to Microsoft Bing. Go to Copilot. Okay, here again same prompt I'm going to use which I was using in Canva. I'll copy paste the same prompt. Only thing which I am going to change is change this part, you see, only the action part. Okay, and then go to this option, and that way it will generate 15 credits you get for free every single day for Bing. So you can use that. Okay, now these are the 4 options which I got from Bing. Basically Bing was creating this out of an image out of this prompt. You can see I will show these images. Okay, so choose the one you want. Okay, let's suppose I like this one the most, so I'll choose that. Now it is in 1:1. So I want this to be in landscape. So I will go to this bottom right hand side corner, this option, and then I will select landscape. That way it will enlarge and resize the image and I will get a resized image. So here you see this is looking pretty nice. I'll just go to these 3 dots and download it. Now I'm going to show you how you can do lip sync animation in Canva itself. So I'll come here. Let's suppose I want this girl to speak something. So I'll go to apps again and then type Lalamu, LLMU, and enter. This is the Lalamu Studio. So here you will have to go to upload video option. Although it says video, but you can use PNG or JPEG files as well. So what I'll do is I will first go to this share option, download. Here I will make sure PNG is selected and the current page is selected, done, and download. Okay, once it is downloaded, I'll just drag and drop that itself. Now I'll go to Lalamu again. I will go to upload video option, choose the file. From here I will choose this file, open. Now here you will have to go for audio. I have already created one AI based audio. You can use 11 Labs or any speech synthesis software for that. So I'll go to choose file option. I'll choose one file, open. Alternatively, you can also enter the text from this tab, but I'm choosing audio, and then generate lip sync. You get 78 credits for free. I think 100 credits you get for free. I have used a few credits. Okay. Now you just add another page by going to this plus button and add to design. Right click and set the video as background. So if you like it, go to the share button, download, MP4 format, keep this single page selected and done, and download.
So, let's get started.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. If you are a struggling YouTuber, make sure you watch the video which is coming up next.
3 reasons why new YouTubers fail. First is they only focus on creating content and they never invest time in learning how to do it in the right way. Second is they don't know how exactly the videos go viral. They don't know how to pick up the right video topic which can help them to get more views as well. Third is they are not aware of the features that are available in YouTube which can help them to get more views, subscribers as well. If you want to scale your channel 5x faster and earn more than 50,000 rupees per month by creating videos based on your passion, skill or talent, then YouTube Masterclass is for you. Just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. Hi, I'm Shriram Benur, content creator of channel A2C, which has more than million plus subscribers. And right now I have been coaching more than 2,000 plus students from across multiple countries, rated 4.9 on Trustpilot. In the 90-minute YouTube Masterclass, you're going to learn why you should consider YouTube, how exactly YouTube works, what are the skills that are needed to be a YouTuber, 3 powerful strategies which can help you to get more views, more subscribers, more video engagement, more click-through rate, and which can help you to earn more money as well. So just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. See you live.
So I being his affiliate, I have already given the link in the description for his masterclass. Please do join in his masterclass and enrich your knowledge about being an YouTuber. If you are a new visitor to my channel, please consider to click the subscription button below and press the bell notification next to it. Please do like, share my content with others so that I can thrive every single day for creating better content for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.